Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best throwable PFD is probably one of the most essential pieces of safety equipment you can have on any vessel, whether you're out on the open ocean, navigating a calm lake, or even just enjoying a day by the river. It's designed to be thrown to someone who has fallen overboard, providing them with crucial buoyancy until rescue arrives, and in situations where every second counts. Having a reliable and easily deployable PFD can literally be the difference between life and death, making its selection a decision that should never be taken lightly. Number 5. Better Boat Air Horn Mini 1.4 ounces. When you need to be heard, you need more than just a whistle. This compact air horn delivers a powerful 120 decibel blast, ensuring you can be heard from up to half a mile away, even over loud background noise. It meets U.S. Coast Guard requirements for boats up to 65 feet. No batteries or charging are needed, so it's always ready for immediate use on the water or in any emergency situation. This horn is made in the USA with a special propellant that maintains high pressure even in cold conditions. You can trust its consistent performance, as it's manufactured to strict safety standards. Its incredibly compact size means it fits easily into a jacket pocket, backpack, or dry bag. Take it with you boating, hiking, camping, or to any outdoor event for added safety. Setting it up is a breeze, just snap the horn onto the can in seconds. It's designed for instant use, providing a reliable safety solution whenever you need it. We also offer a larger 3.5-ounce size for longer blasts, perfect for bigger boats. Select the size that best suits your needs from the options above. What we like. This compact air horn delivers an incredibly loud blast, ensuring you can be heard from a remarkable distance. It requires no batteries, making it instantly ready for any situation. If you need a reliable, loud signal for boating, hiking, or emergencies, this is the one to consider. What people say. It is loud enough to scare them off quickly without me or my dogs getting hurt. It's small, easy to carry, and works exactly as described. Made in the USA and meets U.S. Coast Guard requirements. Number 4. Boat Juice Necessity Boat Cleaner Kit. Introducing our revolutionary boat cleaner kit. This powerful formula cleans and protects your boat in a single step, leaving it glossy and spot-free. It's safe to use whether your boat is wet or dry. Effortlessly remove stubborn mineral deposits and hard water spots from your boat's exterior. Simply spray it on, wipe it down, and buff to a brilliant shine. It's safe for all surfaces. We created a better way to clean your boat. Say goodbye to harsh, unpleasant odors and the hassle of using multiple products. Get the job done efficiently with just one solution. Cleaning your boat's interior has never been easier. Our interior spray offers the perfect balance of cleaning power and UV protection. It keeps your surfaces looking great while safeguarding them from the sun. You can confidently use this product on all your boat's interior surfaces. It's safe for upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and even foam flooring. Enjoy a clean and protected interior. What we like. This cleaning kit offers a dual action of cleaning and protecting your boat's surfaces in a single step. It effectively removes stubborn water spots, leaving a glossy finish. If you are looking for an efficient and pleasant-smelling solution to keep your boat looking its best, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The exterior spray is phenomenal. It effortlessly removed water spots and left a beautiful, glossy shine on my boat. The ease with which it cut through grime was impressive, making my usual cleaning routine much quicker and more effective. The interior spray is equally remarkable. It left the seats looking like new, soft, clean, and fresh. This has made a significant difference in the overall appearance and feel of my boat's interior. The cleaners are super easy to use, just spray and wipe. The foam clings well, dries fast, and leaves zero streaks. Number 3. Tailor-made products Vinyl Life Rings. Experience ultimate floating performance with our incredibly buoyant polyurethane foam. It's designed to keep you safe and afloat. Our floating polypropylene grab lines offer a secure grip in the water. They are designed for your safety and peace of mind. Built to last, this life ring features a durable polyethylene and vinyl skin. It's made to withstand the elements. The molded-in Beckett design ensures reliability and ease of use. It's a feature that adds to its practical functionality. Trust in the quality and performance you expect from tailor-made products. This life ring is a testament to our commitment to safety. What we like. Featuring extremely buoyant foam and a durable outer skin, this life ring is designed for ultimate floating performance. It also includes floating grab lines for added safety. If you prioritize reliable flotation and durability in a life-saving device, this ring is a solid option. What people say. USCG approved was very important to us. This product is well made and I am very pleased with it. It is a good size for the cockpit rail on our Catalina 22. Number 2. Better Boat Water Throw Bag. Gain extended reach with our 70-foot rescue rope bag. Its high reflective visibility ensures you can reach victims at greater distances, even in low light conditions. Make precise and effortless throws every time. This essential water rescue equipment stays afloat thanks to its grab ring and floating foam insert. Store it neatly in its water-resistant bag. It tucks away easily in your kayak, boat, canoe, or by the pool, and the mesh allows it to dry properly. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand tough marine conditions. You can rely on it for seasons of use in lakes, oceans, or pools. As a family-owned American business, we are committed to premium quality. We stand behind the reliability and support of our rescue rope bag. What we like. This rescue throw bag provides an extended reach with high visibility, making it ideal for water rescues. Its design ensures easy and accurate throws, and it stores compactly for convenient access. If you are involved in water sports like kayaking or boating and need reliable emergency rescue equipment, this throw bag is essential. What people say. The Throwable PFD is designed for easy throwing and quick retrieval. Its bright orange color makes it highly visible in the water. The PFD features a durable construction that can withstand harsh marine conditions. Number 1. Flowt Type 4 Throwable Flotation Foam Cushion. Introducing the Flowt Type 4 Throwable Flotation Cushion, your reliable safety companion. It's designed for both functionality and comfort, ensuring peace of mind on the water. Crafted with high-quality PE foam, this cushion offers exceptional comfort without compromising on its essential flotation capabilities. It's built to be both practical and pleasant to use. The strong, durable outer shell is engineered to resist abrasions, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of outdoor use. You can count on its resilience season after season. Rest assured, this flotation device is USCG approved, meeting stringent safety standards. It provides reliable buoyancy when you need it most. Choose the perfect match for your style or boat. It is available in a variety of 7 vibrant colors to suit your preferences. With dimensions of 15x14 to 34 by 2.5 inches, it's designed for easy handling and storage. This size makes it convenient to keep on board for quick access. What we like. This flotation device is USCG approved and made with comfortable yet durable foam. It is available in a variety of colors to suit your preference. If you are looking for a comfortable, approved, and visually appealing flotation cushion for your boat or personal watercraft, this is a great pick. What people say. Crafted with durable polyethylene foam, this cushion provides excellent buoyancy and resistance to abrasions, chemicals, and moisture. Its robust outer shell ensures longevity, making it a reliable companion on every trip. The cushion features convenient webbing grab straps, aiding in quick deployment during emergencies and doubling as carry handles when not in use. Its compact size, 16 by 15 by 2.5 inches, allows for easy storage without compromising on functionality. It is not fancy but seems durable and has 2 handles on opposite sides, making it easy to deploy and for a person in distress in the water to grab and hold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.